Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite. So let's do the analysis first. Okay. We all know that there was a huge sell-off on gold yesterday. Okay, this was a huge sell-off on gold yesterday, but and till this huge sell-off, okay, if we look at the chart, then we know it pretty well that gold was in uptrend and the chart was very much beautiful because see, the market was in beautiful uptrend. Okay. It was it was taking support at the 50 moving average, and side by side it was also getting support from this red line or this trend line. Okay, so market was beautifully moving up, beautifully moving up. Everything was beautiful, sweet and spicy. Whenever market was coming down, it was getting the required support from the 50 moving average and a trend line. It was bouncing. It was very beautiful. Everything was very sweet. Okay, but when market came down to this particular price level, okay, on second, and when it bounced from here, okay, undoubtedly there is no doubt that because of news yesterday there was a huge sell-off, but we got this indication before the news because see, when market was moving up after the bounce from the support, every time whenever it was going up it was making higher highs, but this time market failed to cross the previous high. This was the previous high and market made this high. Okay, market made a higher low, which means that market was losing the steam, market was losing the bullish power, the buying power. And after that we saw what happened yesterday. There was a huge sell off yesterday. Okay, so right now, though market saw some huge sell-off, but still market is in uptrend, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, because see, one thing is very clear to us about this particular price level. When market came down with huge selling pressure, market took support at this level 1855. Okay, so 1855 level is a very crucial support to the market right now, because the market has also received support from this particular level before also. Okay, so this level is very much crucial to us right now. Okay, and on the other hand, if we look at the weekly chart, we can still see that market is bullish, though there was some huge sell-off, but still market tried to recover, and market successfully market formed a hammer kind of a pattern, which means that bulls are still there in the market, buyers are still present in the market, and they will not allow the market to go down that easily. Okay, so market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern on the weekly chart. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and discuss what should be a strategy for Monday. So this red line or this trend line is no longer required, because the market has broke this trend line and this trend line is no longer valid. And see, previously market was beautifully taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, and right now we can see that market is trading below the 50 moving average. Therefore 50 moving average is not a valid support to the market. Okay, so the validity of 50 moving average as a support is gone. Okay, it is no longer a valid support. Okay. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know pretty well that in each and every one of my video I talk about area of value. Okay, area of value is extremely important before executing any order, any buy order, sell order, doesn't matter. Okay, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, and in this market, okay, in this market, if I tell you to look at this particular portion, just forget about the overall uptrend of the market, forget about the weekly chart, forget about the yesterday's NFP report and all. Okay, just look at this particular portion and you can see that. Okay, you can easily see that there is not much movement in the market. Okay, right now market is the range. Okay, and the range is this. So right now, okay, we are in a range here. Okay, and as I've already mentioned, okay, we should always look for the area of value. And in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot is always near the support. On the other hand, in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the area of value is always near the resistance. But right now, okay, we are in a range. Okay, overall we are in the uptrend market. Okay, but right now we are stuck in a range. So we can also short the market at the top. Okay, we can also go for long order in the bottom. Okay, therefore our best trading opportunity in this market is this level, this support level. Because see, this is the level that provided the support when market saw huge selling pressure yesterday. So in case you find market taking support at this price level, 1855 level, then just observe the price and just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, if you see that this level is providing the required support to the market, again market is reversing from this level, market is respecting this level as a support. Okay, then you can go for buy order at this level, at this support. This is the best trading opportunity because market is an uptrend. You should always buy near the support. So considering all these factors, this is the best trading spot here. And the second best trading spot is this level, this resistance, 1916 level on the upside. In case market goes up from here after the market opening on Monday, okay, just observe the price and see how the price is doing or how the price reacts once it reaches the resistance level. If you see that price is suffocating, it is unable to cross, then you will get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid resistance and you can short the market. But remember, confirmation is extremely important, and confirmation will be in the form of price rejection from above like this, or a shooting star pattern like this, or a red candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid resistance, you can short the market. Okay. And the third trading opportunity is if market crosses this resistance level. In case market crosses this resistance level, okay, and you see that price is trading comfortably, price is bullish, market is not struggling. Okay, your duty as a trader is always to understand the market emotion. Okay, you should not blindly follow any chart patterns. Okay, your duty as a trader, if you want to become a successful trader, you'll have to understand the market psychology, you'll have to understand the market emotion, you'll have to know the art to read the chart. Okay, so in case market crosses this level, then just see, read the chart, how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably above this level, there is no price struggle, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, resistance has become the support now. Once you get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support, you can go for a buy order at this level. Okay. But right now you can see that market is trading here in the middle, and this is not the ideal spot because see, if you buy here or if you short here, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, you'll have to, your stop loss will, if you buy here, your stop loss will be here. If you short here, your stop loss will be here. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, never ever compromise with the trading discipline. Do not chase the market. Let the market come to you. Okay. So this is my personal analysis. So if your analysis varies and if you have a different point of view, please share it in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. That's it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.